Good evening, everybody. This is Frankie here with an update on Pullman, Washington's weather forecast here. As you can see, this huge swath of rain that's going to be shifting southeastward. Right now, it's kind of moving northeastward. But as the low pressure system, which is centered right about here, spins like this, counterclockwise, we're going to see that eventually drift this way. And once the low drifts this way off to the east, this precipitation is going to kind of swing around this way and carve a path southeastward. But we've also got some development out ahead of this main area of shield of rain that could even have isolated lightning strikes. We're looking at just south of Pullman there, and as well just as west of Pullman. Seeing some pretty good returns here. Some oranges showing up there. Maybe a rogue lightning strike, but definitely some downpours. And that's what we're going to be focused on overnight as all this activity continues to shift southeastward. Looks like in the next couple of hours we're going to be solidly in this heavy rain shield area. So I'll show you here the rain forecast model, the HRRR or HRRR, which is the high resolution rapid refresh. This indicates quite a bit of activity moving into the area overnight with a lot of rain, and then potential for some thunderstorms to develop tomorrow afternoon behind this rain as we destabilize once again. So we'll be watching this closely, as if we get repetitive downpours, it could lead to some isolated flood issues. And again, there could be some very isolated thunderstorms overnight tonight, most likely probably one or two rogue lightning strikes, but not really, a lightning fest, just isolated lightning. And tomorrow afternoon looks like about a 10 to 20% chance of seeing some stronger thunderstorms develop that could contain some small hail, very gusty winds up to 60 miles per hour perhaps, torrential downpours, as well as some cloud-to-ground lightning that could be quite intense in the stronger cells. So we'll be watching this closely. That's the forecast. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.